The Kia Seltos has been a runaway success, not just as a product, but among its segment of vehicles. Launched just 2 years ago, it's already racked up over 2 lakh in sales and looks to show no signs of slowing down anytime soon. Now, to keep up the momentum, Kia is introducing a new update for the SUV, and it's called the Seltos X Line trim. Showcased for India at the 2020 Auto Expo, if the tech line is the standard Seltos and the GT line is the sporty trim, then the X Line trim gives the Kia SUV a rugged outlook. We have had the chance to examine the car ahead of its launch, and here are the top 5 things to know about the Kia Seltos X Line trim. On the outside, the Seltos X Line gets a matte paint job, which in the case of our vehicle is a grey colour that's been named Exclusive Matte Graphite. Over this grey paint scheme, Kia has added orange accents on the front bumper, rear bumper and the plastic cladding on the sides. The wheels are a first in segment 18-inch units that are crystal cut and get a matte graphite colour scheme. They really do suit the X-Line trim's matte paint scheme. Finally, most of the chrome elements as well as the mirrors have been blacked out to complete the X-Line's rugged appearance. The interiors in terms of elements and layout remains unchanged, but the leatherette upholstery is now in a lovely blue shade called Indigo Pera. It's got the same seat pattern as the Techline version, but now in the blue shade. The car that we have examined is a top spec model with all the bells and whistles that Kia offers with its cars, like climate control with rear AC vents, 360-degree camera, power driver's seat, air purifier, ambient lighting, HUD, 8-speaker Bose sound system and touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto as well as Kia UVO connected car technology. Dual front airbags, ABS with EBD are standard, while this top-of-the-line model gets 6 airbags and a stability program as a part of the deal. All the details of the Kia Seltos, including this X-Line trim level, are available on our website CarWale.com, link to which you will find in the description below. The car that we have looked at is powered by the 1.5-litre diesel, producing 113 bhp, 250 Nm of torque, and is mated to a 6-speed automatic gearbox. Same engine can also be had with a 6-speed manual gearbox. We also expect Kia to offer this trim package with a 1.5-litre petrol as well as the 1.4-litre TGDI petrol. The 1.5 petrol produces 113 bhp, 144 Nm, can be had with a 6-speed manual or a 6-speed IMT. The GDI engine can be had with a 6-speed manual or a 7-speed DCT. The Kia Seltos X Line is essentially a trim package and thus is likely to be priced from Rs 50,000 to Rs 60,000 over the GT and Tech Line trims. It will rival the likes of the Hyundai Creta, Nissan Kicks, Renault Duster as well as the Tata Harrier, Mahindra XUV 700 and the MG Hector. We expect Kia to launch it next month in the Indian car market. Before we wrap up, here's a little reminder. If you enjoy the content on our channel, do hit that like button, subscribe to our channel and of course hit that bell icon to be notified the instant we put up a video. Also, do leave your thoughts about the Kia Seltos X Line in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.